Hi, good day sa lahat ng aspiring VA. Meron akong i-share sa inyo na um, this is a website for nangangailangan ng mga trabaho ngayon as virtual assistant. So ito po ay Magic. Career Magic. So grow your career with Magic. Accelerate your career and land awesome job opportunities with Magic. We give ambitious people the opportunity to grow. So, why Magic? So, let's us uh, read the services they offered. So, they have executive assistant, customer support assistant, virtual assistant, admin assistant, e-commerce assistant. So, let's resources. We have ebook. How does it work? Take a closer look at frictionless. The process for hiring an assistant. It started in 3 steps. So you have to put your email and then your name and I think your company. So Magic understood what are the expected working hours. Tell us what you need. During our first call, we'll discuss everything you're looking for an assistant. Onboard your assistant, managing your Magic team, data to get started. We are okay. Book a call. So same as outsourced doer. Recruiting, training, and matching. So all our candidates go through a strict multi-step screening process. We evaluate them for relevant expertise, education, communication skills, work ethic, and added to the remote work experience. Training. Our in-house training equips assistants with the skills they need to succeed. We train them in attentive virtual communication, data handling, and info security using AI tools to boost productivity. Matching. We assign you to remote assistant based on the insight of your season matching team. Recommendations are based on required skills and experience, cultural fit, schedule compatibility, competence with our requested tools. So, hire your first assistant today, book ako. So, same. Dito sila kumukuha ng mga virtual assistants sa Magic. So, you can apply also. So, let's search how to apply in Magic Career, how to apply as a virtual assistant in Career Magic. Career Magic. So, I'm not connected in this company and this is sharing lang for everyone na gustong magkaroon ng trabaho as virtual assistant. So, application to become a Magic, apply here. Okay, you can click here. Okay, apply to become a Magic executive assistant. Put your name, first name, last name, email, phone number, LinkedIn profile, URL. Have you been an assistant before? So any type of job na naging assistant ka, you can put here. Okay, yes, I work for an exclusive in the US. Yes, I have some experience. Not yet. I'm willing to learn. So if you have experience as executive, you can choose yes, I work for an executive in the US and yes, I have some experience, not yet willing to learn. So, and how did you hear about us? So, meron din po sila sa Facebook. So, it depends on you sa YouTube, kahit saan mo yeah, Facebook, TikTok, Google search, LinkedIn, from friend, others. So, yun po. You can choose everything, kung anything here. So, you can upload your resume here. And then, I think, they will, call you or send you an email for an interview if you are qualified for this type of job as a VA. So they have they're hiring Magic Executive Assistant. Yan po. So all you have to do is to search how to apply in Career Magic. Yun lang po. And then madirect na po kayo. And you click here, yun po, and then ito na po yung pipil-upan nyo. Ayun lang po. Then you can do a research. Then, para sa job na ito, disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako nagtatrabaho dito as VA. And, nag-share lang po ako ng mga trabaho dito. And, yeah, nag-undergo din po ako ng training sa virtual assistant. Nakakuha na po ako ng 2 certificate po. But I'm not ready to apply as the virtual assistant. So, please, mag-research na lang din po kayo. Lahat po ng trabaho na papasukan natin as kailangan po nating mag-research sa job na ating a-applyan para maging handa po tayo. Whatever it is, kung merong interview, merong mga requirements, is handa po tayo. And then, hindi na po mahirapan yung mag-interview sa atin. Yan lang po. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you po. Salamat.